It is Friday, October 9th, 2009, 11:02 a.m. We're going through Johnston City, Illinois, and I'm going to show you some flooded roads. There's a road up here that is flooded. We're getting ready to enter Johnston City from the Corinth area, and I just got to show you. It's very flooded. Look at that. That's a road. That's a road right there. Bam! That is a flooded road. All in there is flooding. We've got water over here. That's all flood. We've had a flooding event. We got water over in this ditch, or woods, or whatever. Water over there, as you can see right here. It's all flood water. Right up here, there's a road closed through the flood, but I'm going to cross it anyway. The roads are closed. This part always seems to flood, and it's just people in lower cars, I guess, don't need to go across it. Alright, that's all I want to show you, quick video, but still, that was a pretty neat little sight. Maybe I'll get some more footage later once I go through Hurst, because that area usually floods. This is Sean Gossman. You can check out our storm chasing and severe weather blog of Southern Illinois at www.stormchasegroup.com. And we also have a weather discussion forum. Everyone is invited. It's free, and you can see that at www.weatherbb.com. Thanks for tuning in, and have a safe day.